Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Dropbox for client file access, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Dropbox website or opening the Dropbox application. Log into your Dropbox account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section of your account. Look for the Members tab to begin managing client access. Click on the Invite to Folder option. You will be prompted to enter the email addresses of the clients you wish to grant access to. Specify the level of access, either can view or can edit. After setting the permissions, click on the Share button to send the invitation. Your clients will receive an email notification with a link to access the shared folder. Instruct your clients to click on the link provided in the email. They will be redirected to the Dropbox site to either log in or create a new account if they don't have one. Once they log in, they can access the folder shared with them. Remind clients to accept the invitation to finalize their access to the files. If your clients need to access files regularly, encourage them to download the Dropbox application for easier access. Verify their access by checking the shared section of your Dropbox account. If any issues arise, consider resending the invitation or checking the permissions assigned. Inform clients about any specific guidelines for using the shared files to ensure proper usage. Once everything is set, clients can easily access, view, or edit the files based on the permissions granted. Regularly check and update access permissions as needed to maintain security. And by ensuring that any sensitive information is stored properly within the shared folders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.